As if beautiful people didn't already have a leg up in the job market. Dating site beautifulpeople.com is now letting employers recruit from its 750,000 plus members. So companies can avoid getting applications from less really ridiculously good-looking people. Hey guys, I'm Patrick Jones for Buzz60. The company told Mashable its employment feature is for employees who want to hire good-looking staff. There's plenty of research that suggests attractive people are more likely to get hired, make more money, but oddly enough have less of a chance of dating Mary-Kate Olsen than the less attractive among us. Employers and sales will say it's important to have a staff that looks good. It helps merchandise move. But still, the new service offered by the exclusive dating site has some people unhappy. The company once put out a press release claiming it rejected 1.8 million ugly people. Will it do the same for less attractive jobs? Let's hope not. Who wouldn't want the sanitation department to be full of bikini models? Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.